setting goals is vital for your life. They said, without a vision, the people perish. Or they said, if you don't have no goals, it's like walking without a head, because life is going to take you everywhere, regardless if you want it or if you don't. So, but we can control a little bit the variables if we know where do we want to go, what do we need to do, what things do we want to improve. Will you allow yourself to dream and fulfill every single little thing that you have in your heart or in your mind? Hi, I'm Chris from Counseling Solutions by Chris. Make sure if you like this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up, okay? Today we're going to be talking all about vision boards and some of the categories that you can make while you're doing your vision board, okay? So stay with me. When you don't have any idea of what to do, it's easier if you start doing a rough draft first, right? What is that? You start thinking or brainstorming ideas about what changes do you want to have in your life? What things do you want to move forward or take away? What are your, for example, some of the topics could be family, love, relationships, pregnancy, children, adoption, self-care. And guess what is the number one this time of the year? Everybody wants to lose weight, including myself. So, it could be from financial freedom to be debt-free, to breaking those old habits that so far are maybe not bringing you the satisfaction that you want. Maybe it's bringing you joy, but you want to level up a little bit. So throughout the year, I encourage everyone to do vision boards. I do like 3 or 4 times throughout the year. I review my goals, or maybe I have new dreams, or maybe some of my dreams manifest. So I take them down and I put new ones, and I put the dates when it did it happen. I pray over the desires and the dreams that God planted in my heart and in my soul, and I encourage you to do the same, okay? So let's go back to the topics that we were talking about. It could be financial freedom. If you have debts, it's very good that you add the full debts that you have, the full amount with dollars and cents, that you start analyzing and looking for information. What credit cards can you cut? What bills can you cancel and pay it off in full, right? Also, another thing that you can dream of is traveling. Maybe it's a house or a home or an apartment. Maybe is leaving a toxic relationship that you're in. Maybe is going back to college or finishing your degree or finishing your high school diploma. It could be anything, you name it. Maybe your goal is to finish, if you're a young teenager or a child, maybe your goal is to finish the school year with A's and B, or maybe, who knows, to pass a class. I hope that you pass the class, but you have to do your part, study and do your work, okay? And so much more. So when you're creating vision boards, one of the important things is you need to add images. You need to cut out magazines. And if you have no idea, I prepared one for you. I'm going to leave it in the description down below. Images, phrases, Bible verses. You can put all the things that you want. You can put it in a canvas, in a piece of paper. But the most important part, focus on 5 to 10 goals. 5 to 10 main goals. The study and the researchers said that you can focus in everything at the same time, right? If you have everything. So focus in 5 to 10 things for you to improve, add the dates, and be as specific as you want. By when do you want to use the technique of the SMART goals, okay? Okay, let's continue. So another Bible verse that I want to read for you, it is from Jeremiah 29:11. It says, "For I know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord, plan to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." And of course, Proverbs 21:18, that it says, "Where there's no vision, the people perish." So we need to have a vision. God is calling you to have control of your life, control of your finances, control of every single heart. And He's not a God that wants to give you a little bit, okay? He wants to fulfill your heart. He wants to take care of your needs. But you need to declare with your tongue. Remember that when we declare with our tongue, it can bring death or it can bring life. So don't forget about that. So when you create this vision board, you need to put it in a visible place where you can see it every day, where you can pray over it, where you can say your positive affirmations, and you have to believe that God is going to move, that things are going to happen. Have you ever had a life without dreams? I think that's being hopeless. So you need to have dreams in your life. But otherwise, for example, it's the same thing that they said, like if you don't know what to do with your time, someone else is going to find what to do with your time. So I rather be in control and in charge of my time, of my calendar. Obviously, if you have children like me, things are going to happen and someone else is going to take over your schedule. But at least if you have a clear mindset of what do you want, every time you get lost, you can come back and circle back where you left and look at what are the things that you need to improve. Some questions that I invite you to ask yourself, it is like, what are your dreams? What is your hope for the future? How was last year, 2024? What are your goals and expectations for 2025? What are the things that you want to focus on? It could be in faith, it could be volunteering, it could be serving. Maybe you need healing. Maybe you need to find a husband and a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Maybe you need to find the right roommate. Maybe it's financial freedom, being debt free. Maybe it's a home, a house. Maybe it's a job, or you need to change careers or think about a new job. Maybe you need strength. Maybe you need to grow personally or professionally. Maybe you need protection. Maybe you need to balance your responsibilities. Maybe you need more wisdom, maybe more support, opportunities. Maybe you need to fight depression and anxiety. Maybe you have lack of confidence and you want to get self-confident. Maybe you have any addictions that you want to break and you want to do you want to have your breakthrough. Maybe you're suffering from insomnia. Maybe you want to elevate your spiritual beliefs. Whatever it is, if it's health and wellness, if it's diet, if it's losing weight, if it's eating healthy, if it's career or jobs, if it's like financial goals that you may have. Maybe you need to have dreams that money is gonna come your way. Home and living spaces. Maybe you want to organize your house. Maybe you want to move houses. Maybe you're living in a toxic environment. Maybe you need to leave your relationship. Who knows? Just pray for that. Maybe you need a new car. Also, maybe you're looking for love for your family, for friends, for relationships, getting pregnant or getting a dog or a cat. Maybe you're looking to adopt. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to read more. Maybe you want to explore the world. There's so many things that probably you want to do. And then last but not least, and very important, don't forget about practicing self-care. Read a book, go out for a walk, pamper yourself, take a shower or a bath in your bathtub. Maybe you need to play music. Maybe you need to find new hobbies. Maybe you want to cook. Maybe you want to repair. Maybe you want to do hiking. Maybe you want to do any sports, cycling. Maybe you want to do yoga. Maybe you want to take photography. Sometimes at this time of the year, everybody has body goals, so you want to look in shape. And another highly thing that I suggest, it is that you need to give back to the community, give back to the people, practice acts of kindness, and so much more. I hope that this is helpful for you. If you have no idea of how to do this, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will be posting on the links down below a full package to create your vision board. You can print it. It has a bonus of a journal. I know that this is not for everybody, and that's understandable, but feel free to look under the description down below. Well, hugs and kisses, and I wish that you have an amazing, beautiful 2025. And remember, not only in the beginning of the new year, you can do a vision board. You can do it around all year long. And who is in charge? You are in charge of your goals. Bye.